Good morning all. In last period, we already discussed about Internet Explorer and how to open Internet Explorer. Today, our topic is visit a website. Okay, how to visit a website? First of all, you have to open your Internet Explorer. When you open your Internet Explorer, you can see the home page of your Google. Why Google is open? Google is open because by default Internet Explorer open a Google website. You all know, we already discussed, when you open your Internet Explorer, see the home page of Google. But now we don't want Google, we want other websites. So what to do? We have to type the address of our website in an address bar of Internet Explorer. So type the URL of website www.navneet.com. Okay, now you can see the Navneet website is downloaded, but the whole page is not downloaded. So you can see the progress bar, the progress is going on, the circle is, you can see this circle, that means progress is going on. Same as you can see the status bar. What is the status bar? In status bar, one item is remaining, download this. That means something remaining and process is going on. Now, when a downloading is done, you will see the home page of navneet.com. This is also home page, but not fully downloaded. Some process is going on. So when the process is finished, you can see the home page, and here download is complete. You can see done. That means your download is complete. Status bar give the status done. And here Navneet icon is changed to circle to E. That means whole home page is downloaded. So you can see here is a home page of Navneet Education Limited, web page of Navneet. See this active tab, change to E. Now hyperlinks. What is hyperlinks? Sometimes you observe that when you see the pointer, the symbol is like this. This is hand symbol. That means there is something in this link. So when you click that particular point, you can get other page. Hyperlinks is a shortcut to another web page. When you click on, when you open a first home page, there is so many links. There is so many links. You can see home and other tabs. By clicking on these, you can go through the different web page. So hyperlink, here is a definition of hyperlink. Hyperlink is a shortcut to another web page. Hyperlinks allows you to visit a web page or a website without typing in a long URL. There is no need to type a long URL address. You just click and see the other page. Hyperlink could be image or text. It may be image or it may be text. When you point to hyperlink, the arrow chain to look like a pointing hand like this. You can see the pointing head as a hyperlink. So see this, this is a hyperlink image. When you click on this image, you can see the other page. Now click on this image. See the web page is open and you can see the hyperlink image. Now this is our new page. Now go back. That means go back to the page which you visited before. So we have to go through our last visited page. Then we have to click on back button. And if you want to go the page you visited before, you use So back button is used to go through the first page and forward. On the home page, forward to go to the page you visited before you used back button. Okay. Now see this. When you go through back button, again you see the home page of your website. Now click on publication. See the publication page. So here is a publication page. Now see this. With the using scroll bar, you can go through whole page. So here is a whole page. Click on no more. On a children book, on hyperlink, you can see the following page. So with the help of hyperlink, you can go through different page. Here some button. This is a stop button. That means stop the downloading process. If you want to stop your downloading process, you have to go through stop button. Refresh button is refresh a web page. It is used to download latest content. With the help of refresh button, you can download your latest content. And home page, go to the default home page. When you want to go through first page of your website, you have to click on home page. See the icon of home page. This is a like home. Stop button means cancel. And refresh is a 2 arrow button. See this. Again, here is how to open your website. First you have to write, then active tab. So process is going on. And 6 item remaining. You see the 6 item remaining. That means your processing going on. If you want to stop, here your work is stop and stop downloading. Now again you want to start downloading. Click on refresh button. Refresh button is near to stop button. This is a home, this is a refresh, and this is a stop. When you click on refresh, again downloading started and you can see your web page. So this is a whole process of how to open your website.